Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Meenakshi again. Well, I'm back in my goat farm today, and today this video is specially made for the Sirohi goats we have here. There you can see behind me, these are Sirohi goats, and they are native of the Sirohi district in Rajasthan. There they are. They are having their leaves. So let us understand more about these goats. Well, these are the Sirohi goats, and they are the native of Rajasthan from the district of Sirohi. That's how the name Sirohi has been given to them. But they are also found in Ajmer, Bhilwara and other districts as well now. And also a lot of them is found in Gujarat. But now we can find them almost all over the country, like we have in Assam, Guwahati right now. And they are very good in adapting the different climates. So these are in Guwahati, Assam now, and they have already adapted to the climate. All are very healthy, as you can see. There they are. This is a female Sirohi, this brown and white. She is around 10 months old, and they starts giving birth from anything between 16 to 18 months, and 40% of the time they give birth to single babies, and 60% of time they give birth to twins. However, triplets are very rare, and the lactation period is for 4 months, and during this period they give anything around 0.5 to 0.6 kg of milk per day, which is around 70 kgs of milk in 120 days. She is the lady Sirohi we have. Well, people usually rear these Sirohi goats for their meat and milk. However, milk production is not that much, but the average weight of these goats is anything between 30 to 40 kgs, but sometimes if they are healthy and if their growth is good, it may also cross 70 to 80 kgs. Well, we are not keeping these goats for meat. These goats we have are purely for breeding purpose. So once they start producing babies, we will be selling the babies directly. We are not keeping them for meat. They usually eat green leaves. We also provide them with silage, which is a very good feed for them, and silage are I have shown in my previous video. I think we have some silage here, there. So these are basically corn plants, baby corn plants, which are mixed with jaggery and salt, which provides good nutrition to them. Is trying to reach for the leaves. There. Well, they are finished with their breakfast, but they keep chewing for another maybe an hour. They will sit in one place and keep chewing. Look at him. This is a male one. Let's keep chewing. There's a very good quality Sirohis, but right now we are just breeding them. Once they start giving babies, we will be selling them in the market. They are very healthy and they have already adapted to the climate. We have also done deworming them once, but we have to do it on a regular basis so that they are not infected with worms. And also a veterinary doctor comes to inspect them once a week, whether they have fever, whether they have any other problem. So medical checkup is very necessary for them. So if taken proper care, these Sirohis are very good. This is the Sirohi breed we have in our farm. And this has a very rare coat. Usually they are brown in color, but she is a bit patchy one. And she has this white color which is very rare. They're huge in size. And we have this regular Sirohi whose coat is usually brown with dark and light patches. We usually hang the leaves up here so that they have a feel of having it directly from the trees. And this is another Sirohi we have here. There. Her color of the ears are different from her coat. And one more we have there behind. These are very unique colors of the Sirohi because usually the Sirohis are supposed to have brown coats. So we have the Sirohi with a different color. And look at this one. It's a huge one. There's another one coming. So I'm in this Sirohi chamber. I call it chamber because we keep them all separately. We have 4 Sirohis here. There's a brown patchy one. And there's this plain brown with white. And there's this lighter brown color, which is their regular color. And my personal favorite is this. I just love her. Hello. I just love her. She is my personal favorite. Look at her size. She is eating. She's done with her breakfast, but they are, even after having their breakfast, they keep on chewing for another half an hour, maybe 1 hour. Just love them. And she is my personal favorite. Look at this. I don't know what they are, but there's a 2-piece hanging on her neck. This is the ear. So I think that's all for Sirohi. If you guys need any other information, so please send in your comments. I'll answer them. Thank you so much. Bye.